Welcome to the Lean and Six Sigma Green Belt training. In Green Belt, you will see the true power of Lean and Six Sigma. By now, we know that Lean and Six Sigma is one of the most famous methods used by companies to reduce waste, improve efficiency, increase customer satisfaction, and increase profits. Anexas Lean and Six Sigma Green Belt certification is a blend of Lean and Six Sigma. You will also learn a disciplined approach to improve the quality and maintain consistency in delivery of products and services. I'm sure you have attended our Yellow Belt sessions, and if not, you can watch those videos right away. Since your basics are clear, you will be moving on to some higher concepts. We will start by brushing up some concepts and then move on to understanding DMAIC, that is DMAIC. Projects will also be discussed and various tools like Project Charter, Voice of Customer, that is VOC, Cano model, SciPOC, data collection, data analysis, control charts, Pareto charts, scatter plots, histograms, box plots, process analysis, value stream mapping, and a lot more will be studied. The whole Green Belt, Black Belt, and Master Black Belt training is designed based on my 32 years of experience in industries in almost all domains, including manufacturing and services. Added to that is our Anexas team's total experience on working on more than 10,000 projects worldwide. So let's get started.